UNC family doctor, Dr. Alexa Mieses-Malchuk is here with us this morning. Good morning, Dr. Alexa. Now, this is breaking just minutes ago. Johnson & Johnson submitting emergency use authorization of its booster shot to the FDA. What do you make of that?
This is exciting news for anybody who got the Johnson & Johnson vaccine the first time around. Now, Johnson & Johnson just submitted this data, and so it will take some time for the FDA to review. Could take, as long as weeks. What Johnson & Johnson has not done is they have not given a recommendation yet about at what interval someone should get a booster. So the studies that they did with their booster shot were done at all different time intervals, at 2 months, at 6 months. So that's going to be another decision that the FDA will have to make. But very exciting. If you've gotten the Johnson & Johnson COVID vaccine, your booster could be right around the corner.
Well, Dr. Alexa, we're seeing new COVID cases and the number of people in the hospital drop here in our state. That's a good thing. So do you think we're past the peak of the Delta variant?
I think it's really hard to interpret day-to-day, even week-to-week data. I am really happy to hear and to see that the cases of Delta are dropping. However, there's one thing that we need to take into account here, and that's the fact that we're now in the fall and we're moving into the cooler season, which means that we're likely to see another spike of other respiratory viruses, but also of COVID. And this is for a number of reasons, but in part because people are going to start to spend more time indoors. So again, like I always say, if you're eligible to be vaccinated, please get vaccinated and make sure to wear your mask whenever you're in public spaces where you don't know others' vaccination status as well.
All right, so Merck just announced it's making a pill that could potentially treat COVID-19. Do you think we'll see similar treatments like that in the future?
I certainly hope so. This is really exciting news. Merck is basically testing a medication for people who have been exposed to COVID but have not yet tested positive themselves. So, for example, a person living in a household with someone who tested positive for COVID. And this pill could help prevent symptoms. And so I'm really excited about this development and hope that we get to see other treatments like this that can keep us moving forward through this pandemic.
Last question, fall allergies are picking up. Can you remind us of the differences between the symptoms of those and COVID-19, especially if you're vaccinated?
Unfortunately, there are more similarities than there are differences. So let me list the similarities first. You could have a runny nose, sore throat, cough, with COVID and with allergies, especially if you're someone who has allergies and asthma. However, some of the differences are that with allergies, you absolutely should not have a fever. And that overall feeling of malaise or just not feeling well, that is more likely with COVID than with allergies. But all in all, what I always say is it's better to err on the side of caution. If you have any doubt in your mind that this is something other than your typical seasonal allergies, please get tested. Testing is still available. It's free in many places, so you really have nothing to lose.
All right, UNC family doctor Alexa Mieses-Malchuk, always great to talk with you. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.